Alex, take your radio. AFW, we moving in? All right, move. That was me. AFW, where you at? What? Come on.
Contact him, bud. Point your head.
Copy.
There's a hallway right up ahead, if I remember. Yeah.
Keep moving, boys.
Stairwell. Friendly stairwell.
Do we have a call and response?
No.
They didn't give us a call and response, did they?
Because there's no command.
There's supposed to be.
Is that friendly?
Yeah, I got it.
He's dead. Pull him in. Buddy res him. Buddy res him.
Can.
I got him. Alex, you focus on the game.
You got him?
Yeah.
All right.
Man, he didn't save his tourniquet for shit.
Watch
Oh,
out.
I'm getting shot at.
It's on that right side.
Cool. Good. Oh, shit. Here, dude.
Pull him in. Hit! Pull me out. Coming. Let's go.
Hang
I got shot right in the same knuckle as last time. I have like a nerve problem right there.
on. Is that good?
Yep. I'll take this one.
Thanks. Who's there, like? Mine. I got it checked out.
Nowhere close. Speaking of which, that's a good idea. Cam.
This way. Yeah. This is our. I don't even know who to throw it at.
Are we sure those are hostiles?
Like this way down there. I want to medic him. All right, so I'm gonna crawl.
All right, get ready.
All right, ready?
Go. Take around.
Right on that door, isn't it?
Yeah, that's him.
Oh, we need a medic.
Cam, lob this grenade down that fucking hall, dude. Get that fucker down there.
What side are they on? Left?
Both, right and left.
They're like way down there.
Dude, you can send it. I just saw him. He was right behind that doorway. He's not that far. You got this. The gray one right there. He was in the doorway behind it. I can see it just fine. Try to throw it a little bit to the left, all the way at the end. Throw it to the left a little bit.
Okay, here we go.
Where are they at?
Left and right.
This man walking.
Shit.
Hey, take a drive.
A little bit. You all right? Guys, we gotta break out soon or else we're gonna get overwhelmed. Get the dead out of the way. Let's move up.
Upstairs? Yeah, there's a whole basement complex. How are we working up the stairs? Well, upstairs though. Stairs are friendly.
Wow, there's like tons of people.
All right, we are packed up. Let's break out.
Break out!
Break out. Go.
Go!
Push.
Stay over here.
Go!
Move. Anything? Nothing? Clear? All right, we got hostiles!
Can you be medic, officer?
Yes, I can, but I've been sitting there for 3 minutes, so.
Hey, don't back like.
literally got mowed down twice by teammates.
Dude, I saw him pop out, and I was like, "Oh, that's gonna hurt." Oh, and I heard a bunch of people scream.
Yeah, I was like, we're all wearing green.
It happens. You guys ready to go back in? That was pretty bonkers in there, huh?
Yeah. Do you hear anything? Dude, I need a bandage. I don't got a fucking bandage.
Oh, here.
I was fucking. You got an extra one? Dude, my man.
There you go.
So what? They just. How does this work?
Put it around your arm when you get hit. So just have it ready for when you get shots. So somebody can help you.
And someone can just do it.
Yep. They're running the heavy artillery there. All right, I'm gonna get back in there. I'm trying to push.
They're down over.
Ew. Here, watch out. Maybe cross. All right, this is Phantom. I'm coming back. Tam.
Sorry, it's dark.
No, you're good, dude. You're good. I'm glad you said something. Keep fighting.
We're clear?
We're totally clear on that side. They're gonna have a really hard
We
time.
just got shot from the Greek down here just a second ago.
Oh, great.
We just like casually walked in, but we're good. We're all that got. But we're trying to figure out how we just walked in. Dying down this way or what? Yeah. I don't know.
Hey, we gotta keep this hallway.
We're small. Yeah, front. He went up and left.
Cam, I'm back.
Hey, welcome back.
With you. All right, so we did push up a bit. That's good. What's up with this left side here, where I was sitting before? Can I get in? You guys got this?
They threw a name in there. They already threw a name in there. Move up! Move up!
We're 10. We're 10. 10, 10, 10.
The hallway.
Got it. We're 10. This is interesting. Hi, Feather. Just playing some Airsoft.
Stairway's clear.
Stairway's clear, you sure?
Where did the doorway go?
That's not clear then, buddy. All right, stairs are getting assaulted hard. What's it look like? You good? We got 3 green dead in here. You guys okay? What? You guys okay? All right. Wait, oh, you're any players? Ah! No, I'm just kidding. I'm not gonna. Oh shit, he's possessed. I don't know what we're supposed to do to get past there. We might as well wait for him to bleed out.
A lot of guys.
All right, I'm gonna get out of the way quick. I gotta fix my goggles. Watch out. I copy.
Still in the basement.
Where are we going?
That whole area is clear.
All right, so we got this staircase. Frog! Oh, it was just a fuse. Yeah, good response time, guys. I have a BB in my glove. Oh, how does that even happen?
That's a good question. Where are we gonna go?
Well, we're clear
Is
this
that
way.
stairwell full?
This is it. This is it. This is where
Yeah.
we're fighting.
There's a stairwell, another one up there. Oh, another
We're gonna push the higher up stairwell up the slope. Up the slope.
Where does this stairwell lead?
This is back when I spawned.
What goes up?
Oh, yeah. We're clear over here.
Yeah.
Oh, we actually covered some ground this time, dude.
Dude, and I forgot my camera fob.
Oh, you fuck.
Damn it.
I am recording right now, right?
Yeah.
Oh, cool. All right, let's go explore.
Watch your door to the left.
That's clear. That's clear. That's clear. I already checked it.
Cool. You guys want to play hopscotch? Tag, you're it. Hey, are you you're about to die? You only got one hit left, right?
Alright, we're back on like our side now.
All right,
Hey,
well,
watch out, I think there's tan. See, someone's coming in there, it's tan.
tan. We're good. We have friendlies. We're good. Tan, come on in. It's all clear down here. We're good. Good communication this time.
Yeah.
Last time we were shooting at our own guys constantly.
Alright, we gotta push back into that way then. There's no one back towards our shit.
Can we see where they're moving?
Wait, is that tan? Okay, that's tan. We're good.
I gotta find Alex. I gotta find Alex to give him back the radio.
Huh?
I gotta give Alex back his radio.
Where did all our guys go?
Hey, hang up.
Yeah, watch that wire, guys. You don't want your goggles getting ripped off.
What you got, Dan?
You got contacts at all? No? Let's move. Somebody's moving. I'll take a trade. How did you get over there? It's incredible. Dead. Oh, you're yeah, I need a buddy. Oh yeah, where'd you come from, dude? Right here. Thanks, dude. I don't know where you came from. That works. Just slide it on in. Cool. Thanks, dude.
You're gonna be tight with time.
That's fine. All right, let's get these buddy medics out. They're enemy. That's green, dude. Aren't you green?
Yeah.
What?
What the hell is that?
That's green. You shot me.
Aww.
Yeah, you're in the wrong place. Wait, are you supposed to be playing tan or green?
I'm green.
Oh, okay.
Yes, I'm green. I shot you.
Don't heal them.
Kill me.
That's a green. That's an enemy player, dude.
That's what I thought.
Yeah. We don't res our enemies.
You're a medic.
Bandage. Oh, you're dead.
No,
You're
I'm
dead,
already.
dude. You got a buddy res?
Medic.
Oh fuck. All right, I'll try to find one.
Green back here, Lenny. Hey, green back here. Green back here.
We're tan. Tan.
Dan?
Tan.
Okay, Dan.
Tan. It's very hard to tell in the darkness. Don't say green until you know it's green. Do you need a buddy medic? Let's go. Can I get your arm? Good enough? Yep. All right, cool. Well, welcome back to the fight. We need a medic over here. We got 2 down. Who's that?
Wanna go? It's getting hot now.
Hey, we're pushing back down to get in from this doorway is gonna be open.
Copy.
Tan! Cam, so good shit. Do you guys, anybody have a medic?
Anybody medic? No.
Alex, we need a medic.
Where did you get the fucking patches from? Did people already grab them?
Yeah, I gave mine away because you want to be a medic more than I did. Your 3 minutes is up. You can probably both go back to your spawn. See you again.
I'll be back tomorrow.
I'm gonna get you. Oh, we traded, so I'm not gonna say I'm gonna get you back. Dude, you're probably dead. You guys are all probably dead. Did I take the? No. Oh, that was you. Yeah, you helped me. Damn, this thing really got fucked up. Huh? Shit, that doesn't sound good. That sounds like grenades. Let's move. Can you fix this really quick? Just tighten it down really quick.
Yeah.
I'll keep an eye on it. Huh?
You with anyone?
How do you mean? Like, am I like dating somebody?
Yeah. Are you with the team?
Yes, I'm with AFW. He's one of mine. He's down. I don't know where the rest of my guys went. They're all like, we're gonna be together the whole time. Like, no, we're not. All right. It sounds like action's gonna start coming up this way. Do you want to take it with me?
Yeah.
Alright, let's go.
My team left me.
Nomad is. We got dead tan. The stairway's contested. There's tan upstairs dead. Taking rounds from outside. What color are you? Hey, they're tan. They're fucking tan. Dan! Dan!
Dead man coming out, dead man.
I don't know what to do.
Me either. These staircases making it hard.
Yeah, they're crazy though. I don't want to start chucking frags up there until we know that there's enemy players, because you're gonna, dude, you friendly fire so much it's so hard to tell inside.
Yeah, and like everyone's hesitant to
It's a lot of tan walking out of the building. Fuck. We need to address that. Okay. Dan! Dan! It's gonna be hell from here on out. They're pushing all the stairwells, bro. It's just how it goes. I think we're shooting at our own guys over here. It's so hard to tell, dude.
Yeah, they're trying to come around.
And nobody communicates. I'm like, Dan! I'm like, I'm not lying to you. I'm fucking Dan. Stop shooting at me.
Yeah, I turn around the corner, you just...
I'm not here to trick you. I'm here to gunfight, you know? I'm like,
Yeah.
I'm really not in a good place to be doing this right now.
Dead coming out. Dead coming out. Dead.
Think that guy's dead?
What?
You think that guy's dead? I couldn't tell the first 15
Go
times.
back over this one.
Did you see movement?
Yeah. I can't tell what they were. They're peeking through the window.
Tan! We're tan! Tan coming down, tan coming down. Well, I'm dead.
Moving over.
Jesus. Good push, guys. Oh, you got hit, bro. I heard that. I wouldn't if I was them. I said I wouldn't if I was them. I was like, yeah, fuck that. I'm not going up this hallway.
Is that tan up there, right, or what is that?
You're good. Go. It's all
Good. Nope, maybe not.
That was icky. I need a medic. Anybody a medic? 2 hands. Yep. Oh yeah, you're awesome. I got bandages. Put one of those on me. Thanks, dude. Good medic.
Yeah, well.
You guys need dead rags, dude. I almost shot you a lot.
Okay with that.
By the way, the Israeli patch with the green, fucking drip, dude. Beautiful. Hey, I want to move you back a little bit so you're not getting shot by my crossfire.
fine.
Is that okay? Okay, all right.
I'm only got 30 seconds, bro, so you're good.
Oh, all right. I'm just gonna chill. I don't want. I just don't want you
No,
to get
you're
shot.
good, brother. I appreciate the concern, man. Deadass. No, it's all love, brother. I'm just like, my knee's fucked up, so I'm not trying to. Alright. I'm out.
Stairwell
That's
looks
as much as
clear.
I'm helping you guys get shot.
We'll see you guys again.
We'll be back, don't worry.
Green was assaulting just here. I think this is probably tan. I'm gonna go check. Tan! 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 Stairwell is getting attacked right now.
You got that staircase?
No.
There's that.
Staircase is heavily contested.
Both staircases need cover.
Anybody need medic?
No, son.
Prego! Wow, they're really
Perfect.
okay.
Check.
Alex, you good? Copy.
You got me? Cool. Alright. Well, now that I'm back on comms, it'll be easier. Dude, I was in here with 2 kids.
Really?
It was just the 3 of us. Everybody else was fucking dead. And I rezzed them a total of 3 times. Holding this doorway. I threw a frag. I don't think it...
I'm one hit and I'm out, so.
So I'm down to 1 frag. Like you're medicable?
Both. I'm both.
Oh, both. Okay. Shit.
We are pretty stuck here, aren't we?
A little bit. We can get out of here if somebody covers us. But
Fuck,
yeah.
watch out. Hard cover, baby.
Yep.
You got me. Need a buddy.
You need a buddy? Fuck.
I got him.
You sure?
Where's he at?
He's right dead ahead right here. He's kneeling. You're fine. You can see him.
Right there?
Yeah, but you're gonna get shot after here.
Well, somebody cover me.
All right, let me do it.
Cover me.
Sorry. Yeah, go.
Cross it.
Prego! Are you dead? Hey, are you dead?
I'm down.
Down, or like do you need a buddy medic?
I'm buddy.
Come on. Come on, stand up. Move. All right, give me your patch, tourniquet, whatever you got.
Down in here.
You should have that ready when you're shot, by the way, buddy. Any preferred arm? Oh, man. All right, we're gonna have to fall back like crazy sons of bitches here in a second. All right, that's about as good as I can get you right now.
Thank you.
Sorry, my adrenaline's pumping. Alex, are you still up?
Oh, okay, cool. Are they at the top of the stairs?
I think they're pretty low. Judging by the angle of their flashlights.
Hey, in the room, are you medicable?
Yep. I'm out of days. They're down a little bit. They're down the stairs.
Nothing. Sorry, anyway. Alex, we're at a stalemate. Let's move. Tan. Oh, I thought you guys were gonna shoot me. We got a heavily contested stairwell right here. So this one's probably gonna get hit too. So we should probably keep people spread out a little bit.
Is anyone covering it?
Yeah, I was gonna, but you guys go for it. You got movement. That's probably green.
Oh, no, it's not.
just gonna have a grenade in my hand at all times. You guys having fun yet?
Hey, is that guy still in the room being a medic? Good nade.
Good day.
Keep moving. Should we try to take the stairwell back?
Yeah. No, they're at the top of the stairs.
I can't get a shot. I can't get a shot from here. You're dead, right?
I'm super fucking dead, bro.
Okay.
God damn.
We're tan. Well, I got one with a grenade at least. That sounded bad. All right, let's do some work.
Oh no! That's a war time, brother. Tan.
Dan! Hello.
Sorry, guys.
That was good. I was like right on the limit.